I'm here at the Goodsprings Community Center today. We're raising money for the Cemetery Association. We got some bomb-ass hot dogs going on over here. It's cool. This is a little town. It's a cool community. Everybody gets together. You know, a lot of the ladies in the town put together this little human slot machine and brought a bunch of cool prizes and like things you could win. A lot of my friends came from Vegas to support me. Pretty awesome. It's going to be fun, but any bit of money that we can raise for the cemetery will help me be able to go in there with these guys, with the committee, and build some wrought iron gates and try to figure out some of the unmarked graves that have been there since probably the 1800s. So it's really, really cool. Very excited to learn the history. Inside of the building right here is pictures of the town and a lot of the history that you wouldn't even think about this little town. This town, like I said, it was 1,000, 1,200 people living here in 1915. Way bigger than Vegas. This was a thriving little place back in the old days. But what a fascinating little town. I love the history. The people in this town are so awesome. They're like family. You know, if you live in a small town, what I'm talking about. But yeah, everybody's super cool, and I'm having a great day. So we're gonna go back here right now, play some of the games, finish up my hot dog, and get something to drink and have fun. Hey brother, how are you? Good, thanks for coming out.